Hello everyone, welcome back to the ActivePresenter channel. Have you ever spent hours creating software training guides manually? Recording screen, adding annotations, creating click areas, writing feedback messages? It can take a lot of time. Fortunately, there's a much faster way. In this video, we will show you how to create interactive software simulation with ActivePresenter in just 5 simple steps. If you haven't downloaded the latest version of ActivePresenter yet, check out the link in the description box below. And now, let's get started. Normally, when you record your screen, you get a video that learners can only watch. With Record Interactive Software Simulation, ActivePresenter goes much further. It automatically turns your action into interactive training slides. For example, mouse clicks become clickable interactions. Text input become text entry activities. Drag and drop actions become drag and drops exercise. It also adds annotations and feedback automatically. This means you can create interactive software training much faster than building everything manually. To begin, open ActivePresenter and select Record Interactive Simulation. You can start from the Start page, the File menu, or even add simulation slides to an existing project. Next, choose what you want to record. You can capture the entire screen, a specific application window, a custom-sized area. Click the Record button and start demonstrating the process you want to teach. As you work, ActivePresenter automatically records and creates interactive slides behind the scenes. Every click, text entry, and drag action is converted into learner interactions automatically. When you stop recording, ActivePresenter automatically generates your simulation project. Now you can remove unwanted slides, adjust click areas, edit annotations, customize feedback messages. This is a great opportunity to make the training more engaging and easier for learners to understand. Once everything looks good, it's time to publish. ActivePresenter supports multiple output formats, including SCORM, XAPI, HTML5, MP4 videos, PDF documents. This allows you to reuse the same project for different learning environments. And that's it! With Record Interactive Software Simulation, you can now turn your action into interactive learning with just a few steps. Instead of spending hours creating it manually, you can now focus more on improving the learner's experience. You can give it a try and see how much time it will save you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for more updates from ActivePresenter. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.